Understanding ship's radio in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of the phrase, ship's radio. This is a term that's not only important for maritime communication but also a wonderful example of how English language evolves within specific contexts. Ship's radio refers to the communication equipment used on board a ship. This radio is crucial for navigational purposes, as it allows the ship's crew to communicate with the Coast Guard, other ships, and sometimes even aircraft. It's an essential tool for ensuring safety at sea. The ship's radio system comprises various components, including the transmitter, receiver, antenna, and sometimes a satellite link. Each part plays a vital role in the functionality of the system, ensuring clear and reliable communication over vast ocean distances. The usage of a ship's radio is governed by international maritime laws. Ships use it to send distress signals, receive weather updates, and conduct routine communication. It's a lifeline for vessels, particularly in emergency situations. And that's a wrap on ship's radio. It's more than just equipment. It's a critical communication system that keeps our seas safe. I hope this explanation helps you understand not just the phrase but its significance in maritime operations. Stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.